Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Tradingview is a versatile platform for traders and investors, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for technical analysis, charting, and market insights. The app provides an intuitive interface that allows users to analyze stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and commodities through interactive charts with numerous indicators and drawing tools. Its social aspect enables users to share ideas, charts, and analysis, fostering a collaborative community where traders can learn from each other and discuss market movements in real time. Additionally, Tradingview offers customizable watch lists, alerts, and a range of analytical tools that cater to both novice and experienced traders. One way to potentially make money using Tradingview is by leveraging its technical analysis tools. Explore different charting techniques, apply technical indicators, and study price patterns to identify potential entry and exit points for trades. Utilize features like backtesting to evaluate the performance of trading strategies based on historical data before implementing them in real time. Utilize Tradingview's social community to gain insights and ideas from other traders. Engage in discussions, follow successful traders, and analyze their trading strategies. This social aspect can offer diverse perspectives and potentially uncover new trading opportunities or approaches. Combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis by using Tradingview's economic calendar and news feed. Stay updated on economic events, earnings reports, or geopolitical news that could impact the markets. Integrating fundamental factors into your trading decisions alongside technical analysis can provide a more holistic view of the market. Lastly, consider using Tradingview's paper trading feature to practice strategies without risking real capital. This simulation mode allows you to test your trading ideas in a risk-free environment. Refine your approach and gain confidence before executing trades with real money. Remember, while Tradingview provides powerful tools and a community for learning, successful trading involves risk management, discipline, and continuous learning. It's essential to combine these resources with a well-thought-out trading plan and risk management strategy.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.